How to change Instagram call ringtone 2024. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Instagram call ringtone within some ways. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings. Remember that the setting may vary from phone to phone. Right now, I'm using a Samsung phone. So what you need to do is scroll down and go to apps. And here, go to manage apps. And then search for your app, Instagram, or you may just scroll down. After that, you see the option called notifications. Just tap on it, and here go to notification categories. After going here, what you need to do is tap on Instagram direct video call. Make sure it is turned on and it is on alert. And here you see the option called sound. So sound is something where you can change your ringtone. Just tap on it and you can see a bunch of options as your ringtone. Just tap on one of it. Let's say I'm gonna choose this. And it's done. And you also have the option of vibrate. You may just turn it on just in case. So in that way, you can change your Instagram call ringtone in your phone in 2024. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.